Hey, I'm Renz. I'm a tech content creator based in Los Angeles. Now, most days, I'm already holding a camera, setting up a shot, or filming B-roll. So today, I'm on the Ray-Ban Meta YouTube channel showing you how I use Ray-Ban Meta to film hands-free, and more importantly, how it fits into my real day-to-day creative workflow. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it. So the first way I use Ray-Ban Meta is for hands-free behind the scenes while I'm filming content. Now, most of the time when I'm shooting, I already have a camera in my hands. I'm setting up a shot, moving around, or filming B-roll. And that's usually when behind the scenes moments get missed. Either I forget to film them or I'd have to stop what I'm doing and pull out my phone. Now with Ray-Ban Meta, I don't really have to think about it. The glasses are just capturing exactly what I'm seeing while I'm filming. And the quality is actually solid. The camera is 12 megapixels and records up to 3K video, so this footage is very usable. I can post it, cut it into transitions, or layer it into short form videos. And because it's 3K, I can also crop or reframe the POV footage later for YouTube or vertical clips without losing quality. Now, one of my favorite ways to use this is capturing the POV of me filming, then cutting straight to the final shot from my main camera. It makes the whole process feel more immersive without adding extra gear or slowing anything down. I also use slow motion to capture more cinematic behind the scenes moments or action shots while I'm filming. And hyperlapse is great for compressing longer setups or movement between locations into fast, energetic POV clips. Now, when my hands are busy, I don't even have to touch anything. I can just say, "Hey Meta, take a photo." I get to stay focused on creating, and the behind the scenes footage just happens naturally. Now, the second reason this fits so naturally into my workflow is how easy it is to capture a moment without stopping what I'm doing. When I'm out and about, my hands are usually busy. I'm holding a camera, getting coffee, or adjusting gear in real time. That's usually when moments get missed. Now with Ray-Ban Meta, I can just tap the capture button on the frame and it starts recording instantly. And when my hands are completely full, I don't even need to touch the glasses. I can just use voice commands like, "Hey Meta, start recording," and it captures the moment right away. That's especially useful when I'm moving fast between shots or mid setup and don't want to break my rhythm. Now, what I really like is how low-key it feels. These look like regular glasses, so I can move through different spaces without drawing attention or changing how I work. That combination of speed and subtlety makes a big difference. I can stay focused on creating, stay in the moment, and capture clips without breaking my creative flow. Now, the next thing that really makes this work for me is how easy it is to go from filming to posting. Everything I capture on Ray-Ban Meta is already vertical, which is exactly how I post content on social media. I don't even have to think about framing for different platforms or reworking clips later. After filming, all of the footage syncs straight to my phone through the Meta AI app. I can quickly review the clips, trim what I need, and pick the moments I want to share. And then from there, I can post directly to Instagram stories, Reels, or other platforms without having to reformat. Now that's huge for behind the scenes content, especially when I want to share something in real time. And because the footage is shot in 3K, I still have flexibility. I can crop or repurpose vertical clips for horizontal YouTube edits, or cut them straight into transitions without losing quality. It makes the whole process feel simple and fast, which is exactly what I want when I'm creating every day. Now, one thing that really helps me create is listening to music. With Ray-Ban Meta, I can listen to music right through the glasses, so I don't need to wear earbuds or keep checking my phone. It keeps everything simple and distraction-free. The audio is open ear, which means I can hear what's going on around me. Now, that's important, especially when I'm filming in public or moving between shots. It helps me stay focused and stay in that creative zone. Now, I know this one's a small thing, but it makes creating feel easier and more natural. Now, the last feature I absolutely love is Meta AI. Now, with Meta AI built into the glasses, I can ask quick questions without stopping what I'm doing. "Hey Meta, how can I improve this YouTube thumbnail?"
Maybe add some subtle accents or colors that match the Ray-Ban branding to tie everything together.
It feels like having a simple creative assistant with me while I'm filming. Now, after using Ray-Ban Meta in my day-to-day workflow, this has become one of those tools I reach for without thinking about. What I love most is how it lets me capture moments I'd normally miss. I'm already filming, already moving, already in the middle of creating, and this just works in the background. I end up with more POV, more behind the scenes content, and more real moments without changing how I shoot. If you're someone who's constantly creating and wants an easier way to capture what's happening, this fits right in. That's how Ray-Ban Meta fits into how I actually shoot every day. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe to the Ray-Ban Meta YouTube channel for more creator workflows just like this one. See you in the next video.